Hello guys, welcome to techmaddies.com. This is the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J8 Infinity. I got a 4GB 64GB black color variant for unboxing. The price noted on the box is 19,990 rupees and I purchased it for 19,000 rupees from Mobile Planet. Thanks to Mobile Planet for providing me this unit at that price range. On the back side there is a small specification overview. It says that it has an infinity display, a dual rear camera, a 4GB of RAM, 64GB of memory. It also says that it has a 15.36cm HD Plus Super AMOLED display, 16 plus 5MP dual rear camera and a 16MP front camera. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, a 3500 MAH battery. It also has a fingerprint sensor and the face recognition. So we will just unbox the phone for more details. So this is the phone itself. This is how it looks from the back side and the front side. It's so comfortable to hold. It has a 3500 mAh battery, but it is comfortable to hold on my hands. I will now put the phone aside and check what all things do we get inside the box. Inside the box we will get a quick start guide and some warranty papers. We get a travel adapter. The output is 5V to 1.55 ampere. That means that it will not support fast charging. And we get a normal USB type cable. And also we get a headphone, which is a normal headphone that Samsung provided to the J series. And also we get a SIM ejector tool. No more surprises inside the box, so we will put these things aside and check the phone itself. So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy J8 Infinity. I will remove the top protective covering so that you can check how it looks from the front side. This is how it looks from the front side. We got a 16 megapixel front facing camera, an earpiece and a single tone LED flash on front side. It is an 18:9 aspect ratio screen, which is an LED panel with HD plus resolution. A big disappointment from Samsung is that they are only providing an HD plus screen at this price point. So now I will show you how it looks from the back side. This is how it looks from the back side. It is made up of a polycarbonate material with metallic frame. It has a dual camera. The primary shooter is 16 megapixel and the secondary shooter is 5 megapixel. Both have different aperture. The 16 megapixel has a 1.7 aperture and the 5 megapixel has a 1.9 aperture, so that you can take better portrait images at both indoor and outdoor lighting conditions. It has a single tone LED flash. Underneath that we get a fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner placement is good, but I think that the area is too small. Underneath that we get a Samsung branding. Overall, the build quality is good at that price point. Now I will check whether the Samsung Galaxy J8 has a hybrid slot or a dedicated slot. I will try to eject both the slot at the same time so that you can check. This is the primary slot, which can accept your primary SIM card, and this is the secondary slot, which you can put your SD card and the secondary SIM. So there is no problem for that. You can expand it with SD card while using your two SIM cards. Now I will try to boot up the phone. It's giving me a haptic feedback showing Samsung Galaxy J8 secured by Knox. So guys, this is the home screen of Samsung Galaxy J8. This is a 6-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED panel which is built with 18:9 aspect ratio. Samsung is calling it as an infinity display. It has a PPI of 272. For me, the color reproduction and the viewing angle are too good. At this price point, Samsung is the only brand providing a Super AMOLED panel. By comparing the resolution, Samsung is little bit backward because all the other brands are providing a full HD Plus display at that price point. Samsung Galaxy J8 is powered by a Snapdragon 450 processor, which is an Octa-Core processor. It is clocked at 1.8 GHz and it uses ARM Cortex-A53 for all its cores. It uses Adreno 506 as its GPU and it is based on 14nm FinFET process. Hence, the battery backup and the performance will be on the higher side and the heating issue will be on the lower side. I had already registered my fingerprint on its first boot itself, so now I will check the accuracy of the fingerprint scanner. I just locked it with button and try to unlock it with my finger. Just tap in. It is unlocking. It is unlocking, but it takes time to unlock the screen. The fingerprint reader placement is good, but the area is too small. Sometimes I misses the fingerprint scanner and smudges the camera. Now we can check the software version available for this device. Inside the settings, about phone, software information. Out of the box we get Android 8.0.0, that is Android Oreo. I think Samsung will provide one more update for this phone. It uses Samsung Experience version 9.0 as its user interface. I would like to check the storage space also. Inside the device and maintenance, storage. Out of the 64 GB, we will get a 50.6 GB of space available. We can also expand the storage by inserting a memory card. We can expand up to 256 GB. So storage is not a problem for Samsung Galaxy J8. Now I will launch the camera app and take some photos so that you can check how the camera is. This is the layout of the camera. I will try to focus the object and try to capture. The focusing is good and also the shutter speed is good. I'll try to open the image which I shot. The image comes out good, but there is a lot amount of noise in this image. I told you that the lighting condition in this room is not that great. I have taken a lot of photos outside this morning, so I will also show you the photos in this video so you can judge how the camera is. So guys, this is the quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J8 Infinity. If you have any suggestions, you can note it down on the comment box. And also, if you want to purchase these items, you can check out our stores. The address and phone number of the store is given in the description box. And also one thing, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get our latest update without any delay. So thank you.